There are a few websites who specifically focus on the world of the International Baccalaureate, and one of these is IB Connects. And here we have their homepage. Again, it's nice. Recent jobs are highlighted. It's a nice, easy interface. Not too cluttered either, not too much information. They don't overdo things on their website. So let's see what happens when we go to find a job. And you'll notice that the map is the first thing that you see. And there's normally some pins on the map which show you where most of their jobs are. I'm behind a firewall in China, so it can be hit and miss. But what you would see if the pins were there is most of the jobs are in North America, particularly the United States, and particularly the eastern side of the United States. There are a few jobs in Europe and the Middle East, and very few in China, which is unusual for a recruitment agency, but it seems most of their focus is upon the North American sector. So the jobs, you can search by keyword or location. You have to type it in. It's not a drop down. See what I search for. And here we have the categories where you can search by subject or by general IB vacancies. Principal jobs, superintendent. So it's well sorted. So your search will refined in a quick and easy manner. If you are particularly seeking a job in NYP, for example. Okay, then you have lots of jobs. You'll see United States comes up frequently, but you'll see there were jobs in Denmark, Georgia, UAE, a couple in the Far East, including Hong Kong and Japan and China, but predominantly North America. So if you're an American teacher with international baccalaureate experience, or you'd like to move into the sector, this is a good place to come. You'll notice that the jobs are kept and archived, and a lot of these jobs were posted quite some time ago, so they may not still be active. But this is a difficult time in terms of the global pandemic, and a lot of schools are not recruiting at the moment, so that does explain, I'm sure, why there are less jobs than there might be normally. We'll take a look at what happens when you click. This one interests me. A teacher for IB diploma program for physics, psychology, and technology. And good luck in finding a teacher with all those skills. I mean, a physics teacher would often teach chemistry or biology, maybe mathematics. But we'll see what they get. So his job is in Denmark. English medium school. You need a master's degree. The salary is not published. That annoys me. It could be the school rather than the website agents. You can see you can get further information directly from the school. If you wish to apply, you can apply directly to the school, which is quite useful. Now, you do know what the school is. It tells you. This is the school. You can go to the website or their Facebook page. So there's no excuse for not writing a tailored letter of application along with your CV or resume. There's a number of the things they've got here. We can't check the candidate dashboard. I've not ever signed into this website, as I'm not an IB teacher. And I'm at a stage in my career where making such a move may not be easy, even if I wanted to. So you can post your resume, meaning that schools can access it and contact you if they're looking for a teacher who fits your profile. For employers, just out of interest, because my videos are for candidates, but we can see the pricing plan. And we'll see there's considerable expense. Whichever website you use, it is not cheap for schools to advertise using recruitment agencies. So these are the prices that they charge. So the advert stays live on their website for 45 days, but it does seem that some of those jobs have been there for several months, so it may be that they're not quick to remove them, which is all right. Few frequently asked questions and something about contacting them. Now, there's a nice section I was reading earlier, maybe here, where it tells you a little bit about the background. So this website was set up by a teacher who'd worked for a number of years in the international sector, teaching in international baccalaureate schools, and wanted to provide a service for teachers looking for such jobs. Now, IB jobs are advertised everywhere. Most recruitment agencies will advertise for IB, but this one is specific. So if you know you want a job in the IB sector, you don't have to start sorting through jobs which are not relevant to you. And particularly if you're American or maybe Canadian and you want a job in your own country, then this is a very, very useful website. You can see they're based in Washington, D.C. If you've ever used IB Connects, please do use our discussion forum to tell us about your experience. Are your experiences the same as Jaime, Christy, Matt, and Rebecca, who obviously have all had good experiences, or maybe it wasn't so good? We want to know. And also maybe if you could compare it to other recruitment agencies that you've used so we can get an overview. Also, if this has been in any way helpful to you, please like the video. There's a like button at the bottom. It would be good if it's liked because then more people are more likely to come and use these videos to help them if looking for work in the international section. And finally, please subscribe to our channel. You'll then get notifications of new content to do with international schools and the international education sector. You will get the notifications through YouTube and not through your email. We do not want to spam people. We know you're busy people, and if you're like me, you'll get put off by YouTubers. Am I now a YouTuber? I guess I am. Or others who keep filling up your inbox. Thank you for watching.